Often you need to update the contents of PDF documents. Instead of constantly switching back and forth from your word processor, just make the edits in the PDF itself. Let's take a look at how easy this is using PhantomPDF's powerful editing capabilities. To edit the content of your PDF, first go to the Edit tab. Here you'll be given options to edit text or to edit objects, with an object being an image or a shape. In this example, we want to add a sentence to the beginning of this page and have the text in the rest of the paragraphs reflow automatically. The first step is to join all the paragraphs together so the reflow will occur. To do this, we click on the Link and Join Text button. We next click on the paragraphs that we want to join together. And then click on the right mouse button, then click on the Join button and then close. Now that we joined the paragraphs together, the next step is to click on the Edit Text button. Now we place the cursor at the beginning of the paragraph where we want to insert text. Notice how the rest of the text reflows when we have edited the new text. We can also modify the size of the text boxes, meaning we can change the top, bottom, left, or right-hand margins. To do this, we put our cursor over one of the boxes and then stretch it out. We can even move the whole text box itself to improve the layout. We can also manipulate the text. To do this, first choose your text, and then we can perform functions like changing the font size, changing the paragraph alignment to be left, center, or right. We can also change the line spacing, or we can indent everything in the paragraph. After making modifications, we can spell check the complete document by hitting the spell button. Or I can just look for the underlined words, click on them, and use the right mouse button to choose among the suggested spelling corrections. After correcting the spelling, we are now ready to ship our document. If you need further assistance, please contact Foxit Support 24/7.